Hello everyone. Today we are going to do flowers. Flowers are beautiful, delicate and scented. First we are going to do common flowers. I'll wait for 30 seconds after taking the name of each flower so you can repeat after me. So let's start. Rose, rose. Hibiscus, hibiscus. Aster, aster. Morning glory, morning glory. Water lily, water lily. Marigold, marigold. Buttercups, buttercups. Cactus flower, cactus flower. Dahlia, dahlia. Pink zinnia, pink zinnia. Marigold, marigold. Periwinkle, periwinkle. Jasmine, jasmine. Lavender, lavender. Poppy, poppy. Cactus flower, cactus flower. Sunflower, sunflower. Tulip, 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 tulip. Lily, lily. Daffodil, daffodil. Pansy, pansy. Almond flower, almond flower. These are bluebells, bluebells. These are bluebells. Lavender, lavender. Narcissus, narcissus, narcissus. Chrysanthemum, chrysanthemum. Gladiolus, gladiolus. Lilac, lilac, lilac. Bougainvillea, bougainvillea, bougainvillea. Calla lily, calla lily. Periwinkle, periwinkle. Iris flower, iris flower. Canna, canna. Rose, rose. Clover, clover. Now the names of some uncommon flowers. Bird of paradise, bird of paradise. Gerbera, gerbera. Oleander, oleander. Water marigold, water marigold. Canna, canna. carnation, carnation, orchid, orchid, cosmos, cosmos, petunia, petunia, freesia, freesia, cactus, cactus flower. So we come to the end of this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video, and for any online and offline tuitions up to class 10, please contact on the given number, and see you in the next video with the means of transport. Thank you very much everyone.